All right, I'm back with graphs. This is in standard form, so we have x and y on the same side. We have our constant on the other side. So when I have that and we're trying to graph a linear equation, we want to rearrange it so that it's y equals mx plus b form. So you want it to look like this, and that'll be helpful when you're graphing. Now you can certainly do this with the x and y intercepts as well if you really wanted to. I'm just going to show you how to do this. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to start around getting that x over to the other side, opposite of what it is. So I want to subtract 5x. I'm not going to have a lot of room here, so I'm going to do this kind of next to it. Now these are going to cancel. They're gone completely. That's going to leave me with 10y is equal to, and now I have this component right here. Now I want to keep it in mx plus b form, so I'm going to actually put that minus 5x right here first. 20 is positive, so I'm going to put plus 20, but I'm not really quite ready to do this. So I need to get the 10 out of there, and the only way I can do that is saying that's 10 times y, so I want to do the opposite of that, which is to divide by 10 on all things. You can't just do it to one thing. Now those are going to cancel you out completely. They'll leave you with 1y. So you've got y equals now, which is good because that's what we need. And now I have a negative 5 over 10. So I can reduce that because 5 goes into both of those numbers. It goes into itself once, so I'm going to put negative 1. And it goes into 10 twice. Then we put our x, and then we look at the 20 divided by 10. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So now I'm ready to go for graphing a linear equation, starting with our y-intercept of a positive 2. Go up here to 2, put my dot, and now I have my negative 1/2 slope. So I can go down 1, right 2. That's all I need to connect, and then I can graph this. I will continue down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, or I can go back up here and I can go up 1, but then go this way too. So it's still got a negative component to it. Up is positive, but left is negative. So then I can do it that way as well. Up 1 over 2. If I do any more, I'm going to be off of that graph, so then I can connect it. And if you want more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel. You want algebra, check them out under the graphing linear equations section.